friends, this is Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Eva's Facts and Tutorials. Today I'll be teaching you how to use my favorite video editing app, KineMaster. So first, if you haven't downloaded it already yet, you'll have to download it from the Play Store for Android users and from the App Store for Apple users. So right now I'm on an Android device, so I'll be going to Play Store and typing KineMaster. You can see this is the spelling, and then you can see KineMaster Video Editor, Video Maker. So I'm just going to click on Open. Once you click on it, you can see this opens and there will be some ads. After that, you have to click on Continue to App KineMaster. It takes some time to load and then this is what shows. On this side, you'll be able to see all your videos which you have created. And over here, if you click on this big button, it will show you select the aspect ratio of the project. That means select what size your project should be. So we have 16 to 9, landscape mode, and 9 by 16, portrait mode. We also have square mode, 1 by 1. So right now I'm going to choose landscape. The first thing that you'll be able to see is the media browser. Over here we'll be able to choose which all pictures or videos we want to add into our project. So right here I've chosen some random images and videos. So if I play them, you can see this is my intro. And then we have a video which I took when I went to Dubai. And this is a picture, you can see this is a picture. What is media, audio, recordings, layer? Well, right now I'm going to tell you all of that. So first is the media. If you click over there, we can add more images or videos into our project. And then we have audio. In audio, we can choose the music we want to add to our project. So right now, let's see, I'm going to choose some of my downloaded ones. So right here, I'm going to go to Artist, and you can see I'm using this track by MK2, which I got from the YouTube audio library, Far Away. And add that. So you can see I've added that. Then we have recording. In recording, we can record our voice. If these green bars flash when we speak, that means our voice is working. So right now, I'm going to do a demo. So I'm going to click on Start. Hi friends! And I stopped it. You can see this is the voice recording. I'm going to move it over here. So then we have these like KineMaster Audio, the name of this. And then we have many options over here. We have reverb, we have voice changer, we have review, we have re-record, we have loop to end, we have ducking, we have trim split, and information. So now I'm going to hit the review button to review my recording. So once you click on this, hi friends! You can hear that. And then we have re-record. If you click over here, we have the option to record it again. And then we have the option loop. That means it'll loop it. So then we have trim or split. If you click over here, we can see that the option trim or split comes. We have trim to the left of playhead. That means to the left of the playhead it will trim. And then we have to right of playhead. It will trim to the right of the playhead. Then we have split at playhead. So that means it will split this, and then we can, it will be like individual pieces of music. Then we have layer. If you click on layer, you'll be able to see many subtopics like media, effect, sticker, text, and handwriting. So first, what is media? Media, if you click on media, it will give us option to add overlays. So for now, I'm going to choose a screenshot which I took. For example, this happy birthday picture. So you can see we can adjust it. It's like an overlay on top of the video. And then we have animations. So for the overlay, if we check the options we have in animation, which means we can make it pop like that. Then we have out animation. We can make it fade, slide right, slide down. Then we can adjust the duration. Then we have many other options Then what we have is overall animation. That means the animation that will go always along with it. So right now if we choose blink show, see it keeps on blinking. So then we have chroma key. Chroma key means green screen. So if you're clicking on chroma key, you have to first click on enable. Then we have key color. So you can choose the key color. I'm going to choose a lighter version of this to match with this. So you can see this has almost faded along with it. Then we can check how much we want it to see and all that. I'm going to adjust it to make it like a small faded thing. Way much better. And then we can just click on this, so that will be saved. If it was a green color screen, it will look way much better. And then we have cropping, which means we can crop how much we want. So just click on this enable one, and then we can see these small buttons. Just click on them and drag them. So you can see, and once you've done that, you can see it's cropped. Then we have color filter, adjustment. Adjustments mean we can adjust the brightness, the saturation, contrast, saturation, and all of that. Then we have blending, color filter. That's up for you to discover. In layer, second thing we have effect. In effect, we can add effects. So here I have basic effects everyone will have. And then this one is the one I downloaded. If you click on this Get More option, we directed to the KineMaster Asset Store where we can purchase or buy for free many. So you can see some are premiums. The premium ones we cannot get, but the ones that are not premium we can get. For example, anaglyph slide. You can see it will show an example over here. So for now, I'm going to click on download. It's installed. Once it's installed, click on this button and you can see anaglyph slide here. So if I'm to put this over here, the red and blue, it just flashes. This is what effects does. You can add as many effects to a video as we want. Then we can increase how much do you want the whole thing, like a picture, as I told you, the overlay. Or do you just want a part of it? And put just like my logo, just a part of it. So you can adjust it like that. And over here also we have settings. We have rotate mirroring, we have shape. You can change the shape. We have this shape, we have circles, stars. So if I'm choosing this flower, see, go in the flower type shape only. And then we have many others like trim or split. It's the same way I showed you for the audio trimming or splitting. Then we have settings. You can angle, speed, distance, etc. where we can change it. The thing we have in layer is sticker. So these are like stickers, the classic stickers. You remember these stickers? That we can add emoji stickers on top of our video. And then we have, we can also buy them from the KineMaster Asset Store. As I already told you, we have icons, we have frames, we have decorative ones, and many. So you can choose what you like, and then you can do that. So right now I downloaded this arrow set. So if I'm to take this over here, see, we can just click on OK, and then this will come here. So we can increase its size, decrease its size just by dragging this arrow. We have in animation, we have out overall animation, and we have out animation. Not only that, we have settings, we have trim or split, we have rotate and mirroring. So if you're going to click on rotate and mirroring, we can just like mirror it or rotate it. And we have blending information just like the others. So once you click done over here, the next thing we have is text. So if you click on text, for example, I'm going to go over here and click on text. And I'm going to type like visiting. So I'm going to type goodbye. Once you've typed your text, click on this OK button. So you can see it comes here. We can increase its size, we can rotate it. And then over here, if you click over here, you can edit this if you want once again. And we have AA. So if we click over here, see, we can change the font. So we have note to serif, handwriting, we have Latin fonts, and these handwriting fonts and sans serif fonts, I downloaded them. If you wanted more fonts, more than these, just click on the shop icon over here, which directs you to KineMaster Asset Store. We have tons of fonts here, and none of them are premium. We can just download any font. We have Tamil, Thai, Cyrillic. So I've chosen this handwriting fonts. I like that Sacramento regular, so I've downloaded one of them. So you can see we have many here. So one I've downloaded is Sacramento. So if you click over here, it will show like download, just like we downloaded the effects. Over here we can see the full, how the letters look like, numbers, and then how it applies to picture. So we've done that, so I've downloaded it. I'm going to click on Sacramento regular. Once you've done that, you can see your font changes. And then we have trim split here, where we can trim or split the duration. Then we have color. We can change the color. We can make it to a blue, or we can make it dark blue, or a slight shade of purple. Leave this as purple here, and a little bit of green to match that, and that purple is nice. And then we have in animation, overall, and animation, and out animation. We have others like outline, shadow, glow, and background. They are up for you to discover. So once you've done that, just click on this OK button, and then there you have. Next is handwriting. So actually in handwriting, there is nothing basically you can do. It's like shapes, drawing shapes. So this is a square which I use, and then if you click over here like this, you can see we have zigzags. So this, it's a straight line. It goes like a straight line. And then we have another one which is like an arrow. See, it's an arrow. And then we have another one which is like this. It's like a both side arrow. Yeah, better. And then we have this one where we can draw right with our hands. And then we have this pencil. It's like a pencil effect, the same. Then we have an X, a square, this, and these are outlines of a square and a circle. And over here we can change the color. So I've chosen this because I like this pinkish color. Change it a bit darker. See, all of these colors changes. And once you've done the drawing, if you want to erase something, just click on this and all will erase. And if you just want to erase some parts, for example, you just want to erase the middle part, click on this eraser and do this. And then once you've done drawing, click over here. Over here we can see it's selected. We can make it bigger or smaller. And not only that, we have in animation, out animation, overall animation, and out animation. We have trim, split, rotate, blending, etc. Now we've completed all the layers, we've completed media, completed audio, and we completed recording. But what is this big red button in the middle? If you click over there, we can record a camera right now from KineMaster. You can see after I clicked on the red button and took a photo, you can see that it has been added to my project here. It's added as a picture because we can only add pictures. So if I'm to click on that, you can see the settings here. We have color filter, we have adjustment, we have vignette, we have the, the trimming option and the rotate and mirroring option. So if I'm to rotate it like this, it doesn't look good, so I'm just going to keep it as it is. That's the rotate feature. So then here, so if you want to delete something, so like this, I don't like this screenshot picture over here. So if I want to delete that, I just need to click on this bin button over here. So once I click on that, that picture will be removed from our project. Not only that, if you want to redo, you mistakenly deleted something, just need to click on this undo button. And if you want to redo it, just click on this redo button. Is that all? Now I will show you all the preview of the project, how to preview it. So if you click over here, this button, you'll be able to preview it. So you can see the things we added like that. The effect is coming up over there, and then there's this picture here. Then if you go fast forward, we have the text which we put here. There's no animation, as I told you. I don't apply animations. Then we have that handwriting. And then if you go here, we have the voice, the recorded voice. Hi friends! Now that is over. Now what are we going to do? Now I'll show you how to export it. To export, just click on this button over here. And you can see here, this is what happens. That opens. So most probably it will be set on this middle range. So if you want the bitrate to be high, then the MB will be increased. And if you put it to low or medium, it will be decreasing. And then we have resolution. These, the 4K, QHD, and FHD are for the premium users. We have SD and HD. So the HD version, I'm going to choose the HD version here. And then we have frame rate 30, 25, 24, 15, 12. So here I'm going to leave it just as it is and click on export. So it takes some time to export and finish. So once it's exported, it most probably shows some ads to you. So you can just click on this close button. So just click closed. So once that's done, you can see over here we have. So you can play it, or else we can just play it by going to the gallery of your phone, mobile, click on albums and go to export. And over there we'll be able to see all our exported videos which we did over here in KineMaster.